All right. Hi, third grade. Welcome back to Number Talks. As you know, with Number Talks, we're going to have an opportunity to share all the strategies that we can think of. We're going to be able to talk to a partner, share with our teacher, and show our strategies on our chest. We're thinking of all the ways that we can solve these number sentences or equations. So let's start off with our first string, which is 37 plus 69. So what strategies are you thinking of? Maybe you already have a sum. Go ahead and share that now. Awesome. So noticing that 69 is close to that friendly number with the 0, I'm just going to add 1 to 69. Bring down my other add-in. 69 plus 1 is 70. Okay, so already I have a friendly number. That's going to make it easier for me to add across. So now 37, I see I have 3 10s, 7 1s. So I'm just going to write that out as its place value. 3 10s, 7 1s, plus 70, which is 7 10s and 0 1s, right? So I just broke it apart according to its place value. Okay, that's going to make it easier for me to add. So 7 1s, 0 1s, that's going to give me 7, because 7 plus 0 equals 7. And then 3 10s plus 7 10s, which is 30 plus 70, is going to give me 100. So 100 plus 7 is going to give me 107. Now, that's not my final answer. Remember last time we spoke about once we add a number to an add-in, we have to take that number back out of the sum. So now that we have the sum, we have to subtract 1 from that number. So remember, I'm pulling this number back out. If I add it in, I have to take it back out. And this is making friendly numbers, also known as landmark numbers. Good job if that's what you were thinking too. If you use this strategy or something similar, awesome. All right, let's look at our next string. 79 plus 26. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Do you have your strategies ready? Are you showing them on your chest? If you have 2 strategies, maybe. I know I have 2 strategies ready. Do you have a sum ready, maybe? You already know the answer. That's great. Okay, so as we saw in this one, I see that 79, that add-in, is close to a friendly number with the 0. It's only 1 away from 80. So I'm just gonna add 1. That's going to give me 80. Bring down my other add-in. Okay, so now I have 80 plus 26. I still want to make sure that I make this as easy as possible so I can get the right answer. So I see I have 8 10s, 0 1s, 2 10s, 6 1s. I could add that in my mind, knowing that 8 10s plus 2 10s, and just having 6 1s, since there's no 1s here, I can just combine 80 plus 20, which is 100, and then add that 6. Now remember, the sum's going to come to this for now, but we're going to get our final sum when we pull this number back out of the sum. So I have to take that 1 away. And we're gonna have 105 as our final answer. Final sum, right? So once again, I found that friendly number. Okay. Ready for our next string? Good job. So 89 plus 28. Once again, I see that 89 is very close to a landmark number. 28 is close too, but this number is bigger. It has more tens. So I'm gonna bring this to a friendly number. I'm gonna add 1. It's going to give me 90 plus 28. Okay. So now 90 plus 28, I see I have 9 tens, 2 tens, and 8 ones. 9 tens equals 90, 2 tens equals 20, and 8 ones, I'll have 8 there. So now 90 plus 20 is 110 because 9 tens plus 2 tens is 11. So 11 tens equals 110. I'm gonna bring down the 8. So now I have 118. Not my final sum because I have to bring this back out since I added it in. So I'm going to do 118 minus that 1 to get my final sum. There we go. Final sum. Okay. And I use the strategy making a friendly number or a landmark number to add. Okay, next, final part of our string list today is 99 plus 19. Maybe I can bring both of these to a friendly number. They're pretty close, and then I'll just take out whatever I add in because I'm not adding a lot to get to a friendly number. I think I'm gonna do that. So 99 plus 1, 19 plus 1. I'm gonna end up with 100 plus 20. Oh, how easy is that to add? Okay, so 100 plus 20 is 120. So now I added in 1 and 1, which is 2. So I'm gonna subtract 2 from 120, right? Because I have to take away this and I have to take away this. So here we go. Take away 2. Because 1 plus 1 is 2. That's how I got that 2. 118 is my final answer. Okay. Final sum. Once again, I making a friendly landmark number. All right, third graders. I'm sure you had a lot of the similar strategies as we did, or as I did, or your teachers did. And I'm sure when you were sharing, you shared all of the strategies you could think of to solve these equations. Anytime you see that number is close to a friendly number that has a 0, you either add 1, in some cases might arise where you subtract 1. But for right now, you add 1, go up 1, and you get to that friendly number. Each time we were able to find a friendly number. In some cases, you can make both addends a friendly number because it's easier to take those away later on. Be careful if you add to both and remember to take those away later on. Okay, you're all set, third grade. Good job with number talks today. See you later.